Hello, everyone, and welcome to Medifit Mosaic. In today's world where life moves at a rapid pace, stress is an everyday reality for many of us. We are constantly balancing work, family responsibilities, and personal goals, often with very little time to focus on our well being. The toll of stress on our physical, mental, and emotional health is significant, making it crucial to find effective ways to regain our balance and inner peace. Here is the good news: meditation is widely recognized as one of the most powerful tools to achieve a state of calm, improve focus, and build resilience against the pressures of modern life. Through regular practice, meditation can reduce stress, sharpen our minds, and foster a sense of well being that permeates every aspect of life. Today, we are going to dive deep into the life changing benefits of meditation, specifically a unique form known as Sahaja Yoga. Sahaja Yoga brings a profound dimension to traditional meditation, offering a combination of time tested techniques with additional science backed advantages. By awakening our inner energy, this practice not only helps us manage stress but also improves our overall health, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Let us delve deeper into what stress is and how it affects our bodies and the minds. At its core, stress is the body's built in alarm system activated by a perception of threat or challenge. This system, deeply embedded in our physiology, orchestrates a complex cascade of hormonal releases including cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones prepares the body for rapid response. Cortisol mobilizes energy while adrenaline increases heart rate, tightens muscles, raises blood pressure and sharpens our senses. Collectively, these changes empower us to either confront the perceived danger or escape from it swiftly. This is known as the fight or flight response. This reaction was vital for our ancestors' survival, allowing them to face immediate physical threats. However, in today's world, the nature of stress has evolved. Our modern threats are more psychological and persistent, stemming from job pressures, social dynamics, financial worries, and constant connectivity. When this fight or flight response is repeatedly triggered by less immediate, more chronic stressors, it doesn't fully switch off. Over time, being in a near constant state of alert can wear down the body and lead to what we know as chronic stress. Chronic stress manifests through a range of physical and mental health issues. Physically, it can deteriorate your health, leading to problems such as hypertension, cardiovascular disease, muscle tension, and fatigue. It disrupts sleep and can lead to unhealthy weight gain or loss due to changes in appetite and metabolism. Mentally, the persistent presence of stress hormones in the brain can lead to anxiety, mood swings, depression, irritability, and feeling of overwhelm. The constant pressure can also impair cognitive functions such as memory and concentration, making it harder to focus on complete tasks efficiently. On a neurological level, chronic stress has a significant impact on the brain structure and function. The amygdala, an area of the brain associated with emotional responses, becomes increasingly sensitive and enlarged under continuous stress. This hypersensitivity leads to an exaggerated stress response, making individuals more reactive to everyday stressors. Conversely, chronic stress can shrink the prefrontal cortex, the area of the brain responsible for executive functions like planning, decision making, and moderating social behavior. This reduction can lead to difficulties in making rational decisions, solving problems, and controlling impulses. Furthermore, chronic stress affects the hippocampus, which is critical for learning and memory. Under stress, the hippocampus can suffer from reduced neurogenesis, the process of forming new brain cells, impairing one's ability to form new memories and learn from new experiences. This can create a vicious cycle where stress not only comes from external challenges but also from the reduced capability to cope with these challenges due to impaired cognitive functions. Understanding these mechanisms is crucial as it underscores the importance of managing stress effectively. Without intervention, chronic stress can lead to long term damage to both physical health and the mental well being, affecting one's quality of life significantly. In the next section, we will explore how Sahaja Yoga offers a practical and profound method for managing and mitigating these effects by rebalancing the body's response to stress. Meditation, practiced in many forms worldwide, offers universal benefits that help us navigate life's stresses more effectively. Let us break down the powerful advantages it brings to our physical, mental, and emotional health. When it comes to physical health benefits, meditation isn't just about calming the mind, it has real physical benefits too. Studies show that meditation lowers blood pressure, reduces heart rate, and strengthens the immune system, making our bodies more resilient to stress related issues like hypertension and cardiovascular disease. A landmark study in the American Journal of Hypertension highlighted that regular meditation practices can significantly reduce these health risks. Imagine meditation as a shield that protects our body from the invisible harm of stress. The number one benefit is mental clarity and focus. In a world filled with distractions, meditation helps us clear mental clutter, enhancing focus and concentration. This improved mental clarity has been backed by research published in Nature Reviews, Neuroscience, which shows that meditation strengthens brain regions responsible for memory and decision making. Imagine having the mental space to think more clearly, make decisions confidently, and focus fully on what truly matters. Benefit number two is emotional balance and resilience. Meditation also helps us create emotional distance from life's challenges, allowing us to react with greater calm and resilience. Research from social, cognitive, and affective neuroscience has shown that regular meditation calms the amygdala, the brain's emotional center, allowing us to feel more grounded at peace. This emotional strength can empower us to handle stress without feeling overwhelmed, improving our relationships and outlook on life. These benefits are accessible to everyone through regular meditation practice, yet Sahaja Yoga takes it even further. It introduces a profound process called self-realization, awakening our inner energy to bring about a deeper, lasting transformation. While traditional meditation quiets the mind, Sahaja Yoga introduces a unique dimension that deepens our journey within. Founded by Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi in 1970, Sahaja Yoga offers a holistic approach that promotes mental clarity, deep inner peace, and healing by activating an intrinsic energy called Kundalini. So, what is Kundalini? In Sahaja Yoga, Kundalini is considered a dormant energy located at the base of the spine. Through this practice, the Kundalini energy is gently awakened, moving upward through 7 chakras or the energy plexuses located along the spine. Each chakra is associated with their specific qualities, emotions, and even organs in our body. As Kundalini rises, it nourishes each chakra, releasing blockages and enhancing our physical, mental, and spiritual well being. This awakening, known as self realization, offers a pathway to achieving mental silence, a unique state where thoughts are minimized and we experience true inner balance. This silence allows us to feel present, deeply connected, and free from constant mental chatter that often heightens stress. Sahaja Yoga offers distinct benefits that extend beyond traditional meditation. Through Kundalini awakening and chakra balancing, it helps us reach deeper states of calm and balance. The benefit number one is deep and lasting stress reduction. Sahaja Yoga has a profound effect on the autonomic nervous system, which controls our stress response. By balancing the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems, Sahaja Yoga creates a sense of calm and stability that lasts throughout the daily activities. Research published in Human Physiology demonstrated that Sahaja Yoga's ability to balance the autonomous nervous system resulted in significant reductions in the stress level. This balance helps us stay calm in stressful situations, protecting our long term health. The benefit number two is mental silence and heightened presence. A defining aspect of the Sahaja Yoga is the ability to achieve nirvichara samadhi or mental silence, a state in which the mind is quiet yet highly alert. This rare state offers clarity, presence, and an unparalleled sense of peace, enabling us to handle stress with ease. A study in the Journal of Clinical Psychology reported that Sahaja Yoga practitioners experienced substantial reductions in anxiety and improved emotional resilience. The next benefit is physical health benefits linked to chakra balancing. Each chakra in the body corresponds to a specific physical organ and systems, such as digestion, immunity, and the cardiovascular system. When these chakras are balanced through Kundalini awakening, Sahaja Yoga can improve functions in these areas. Notably, evidence based complementary and alternative medicine has documented improvements in the heart rate variability (HRV), a critical indicator of cardiovascular resilience. This health benefit helps us safeguard against stress induced health risks, enhancing our overall physical well being. The next benefit is enhanced emotional stability and resilience. The unique energy activation in the Sahaja Yoga calms the amygdala, reducing reactivity to stress and promoting emotional stability. Over time, this creates a foundation for emotional resilience, which has been found to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. In fact, a study in neuroscience and behavioral physiology revealed that Sahaja Yoga practitioners show improved emotional responses to stress as well as greater emotional well being overall. Sahaja Yoga's scientifically supported benefits have led many mental health professionals to recommend it as a complementary tool for managing stress, anxiety, and depression. Mastering stress management means more than avoiding tough moments. It is about embracing a transformative approach to life. Sahaja Yoga offers an extraordinary path that goes beyond traditional meditation, fostering resilience, mental clarity, and lasting emotional balance. By awakening the Kundalini and achieving mental silence, Sahaja Yoga empowers us to navigate life with inner calm and joy, reconnecting with ourselves in a way we may never have experienced before. If you are looking to master stress, enhance your mental focus, and find deeper peace, Sahaja Yoga may be the journey you have been waiting for.